From flour to flavor, the cake manufacturing industry is a thriving market that generates more than $83 billion a year. Surely at some point you have enjoyed one of these delicacies that are sold in supermarkets, which have been an invaluable resource in numerous celebrations throughout the world. The production of wholesale cakes pastry is a culinary art with a rich history that dates back to ancient times. From the simple recipes recorded in civilizations such as the Egyptian to the refined techniques of medieval Europe, this art has evolved over time. Cultural exchange as a result of trade routes and conquest has enriched pastry with new ingredients and preparation methods. Surely at some point you have enjoyed one of these delicacies that are sold in supermarkets, which have been an invaluable resource in numerous celebrations throughout the world. The mass production of cakes begins with the receipt of raw materials, including sugar, flour, eggs, milk, butter, and other essential ingredients. These materials undergo rigorous quality control to ensure their suitability before entering the production process. During this phase, each ingredient is carefully weighed to ensure accuracy, and a precise record is kept of the materials entering the factory. Once the quality control process is complete, the ingredients are classified and stored according to their type, adhering to strict stability and conservation regulations. This ensures that the ingredients retain their optimal properties until they are used in production. The creation of a high-quality cake requires not only skill, but also meticulous attention to every step. After the weighing and quality control phases, the next critical stage is mixing, the key process that ultimately defines the final product. In this phase, careful attention is given to the standardized preparation of the recipe, adapting it to suit the specific type and characteristics of the cake being made. The ingredients, which have been precisely measured using appropriate tools, are mixed in a specific sequence to achieve the desired consistency and texture. At the center of this process is the industrial mixer, a highly efficient machine capable of preparing up to 100 cakes at once. During this stage, the butter undergoes a meticulous creaming process, reaching the optimal fluidity required for the perfect dough texture. Following a structured sequence, sugar, eggs, flour, milk, and other ingredients are added at precisely the right moments and in exact proportions to create the balanced flavors and textures that define the cake. While the mixture is being combined, the molds are simultaneously greased and prepared, ensuring a smooth transition to the next step. To ensure the final product can be easily unmolded while retaining its perfect shape, butter and specialized non-stick baking paper are used. Once the cake batter is prepared, the process continues with precision that borders on artisanal craftsmanship. The carefully prepared batter is poured using an injection system machine, which guarantees precise weight distribution for each production unit. This ensures uniform consistency across all molds. During the filling process, meticulous care is taken to ensure the batter is evenly distributed, a critical step in maintaining the final product's quality. The molds filled with batter are carefully transported via a conveyor belt to prevent spillage. The oven is preheated, a vital step to minimize thermal stresses in the batter that could cause deformations or cracks in the finished cakes. This methodical process ensures each cake emerges from the oven with flawless appearance and fully developed flavor. Finally, the molds now containing the batter are arranged on specially designed baking trolleys ready for the next stage of production. Each trolley can hold 10 to 20 cakes and is carefully placed into a large rotary oven capable of accommodating more than 10 trolleys at once. This oven, a true feat of engineering, can operate at temperatures as high as 400 degrees Celsius. However, for baking cakes, it is typically set to around 150 degrees Celsius, with precise adjustments made based on the specific requirements of each type of cake. Baking is a critical stage that demands close attention from the oven operators. The cakes remain in the oven for 40 to 90 minutes depending on the recipe and the desired characteristics of the final product. After baking, the cakes enter a vital stage in their production: cooling. Once in the cooling area, the cakes are carefully placed on a conveyor belt where they are subjected to controlled temperature and humidity conditions. Once the cakes have reached the appropriate temperature and cooled uniformly, they are transferred to the demolding area. Here, the molds are carefully and precisely removed, revealing the cakes in their final form and preparing them for the next stage of production. The preparation for the product's final finish begins during the unmolding process, seamlessly transitioning to the decoration and packaging phases. Depending on the type of cake, the preparation of the coating and additional decorative elements is carried out with precision. From intricate sugar figures to fresh fruit or smooth chocolate, every detail is carefully chosen to enhance the cake's presentation and flavor. Once the cakes have completed the baking and cooling processes, it is time to add the final touch, the coating. This step is crucial for both taste and visual appeal, and is performed using a specialized machine designed for this task. Equipped with an innovative injection system and an adaptable mechanism, the machine ensures the coating is evenly distributed over the entire surface of the cake. With remarkable efficiency, this machine can coat up to 3 cakes per minute, demonstrating its speed and reliability in the production process. After coating, the cakes are transported via conveyor belts to a resting area where they remain until the coating solidifies slightly, preparing them for the next stage. Packaging is a vital step that ensures the quality, hygiene, and presentation of the final product. Each cake is carefully identified and packed in specialized containers or wrappers designed to protect its structure and maintain its freshness. These containers are engineered to preserve the integrity of the cake without compromising its quality, delivering an exceptional culinary experience to consumers. Once packed, the cakes are stored in cold rooms with carefully regulated temperature and humidity to maintain their freshness and flavor. This meticulous process guarantees that the cakes remain in optimal condition until they reach their destination. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on new content, and hit the like button.